So today I am going to teach you how to make a simple face mask using a bandana, some rubber bands, and tape. So I got these two bandanas from the dollar store for $1. It comes one, you get 2 for 1. This rubber band too is also $1 from Rite Aid. So all you're gonna need 2 pieces of rubber bands. I choose these 2 ones because they're smaller. I have smaller ears, but there's various sizes in here. And I'm gonna go with the red because it's just easier to see with the background. And I've cut a piece out. I cut a piece of the bandana out, just a square out. But you can use however much you need for your face. And the way to measure it is to go from one end of the bandana at one ear, the tip of one ear, and then to the other side. And wherever it ends, like right here, mine ended right here. So I would do is get a pen, mark it, and then what I would do is just cut it. You will cut from here all the way down to the middle. And then so this from here to here is the piece that you would be using. But I decided just to use a piece of square from the original one. So this is what I would be using. And then some tape. A stapler will actually be better, keep the mask together longer than tape, but I don't have any staplers at my house, and this is the only tape I could find, so that's what we're using. I'm pretty sure this is electrical tape, so this is what I'm using. So any strong tape or anything that's strong enough to hold it together will work. So here's the piece that I'm using. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna start rolling the bandana like this, like an accordion motion. So in and out. Very important to keep it together. I mean, it is kind of sucks that we have to resort to doing this stuff because of such a high shortage of masks out there. But I'm guessing, I mean, this is better than nothing. I wouldn't recommend this, but this is where we're at right now. So just gonna keep folding in and out, in and out. Almost there. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just gotta keep going until you reach the end here. All right, so now you have like a little strip here. I'm gonna use the tape here to hold down this end so it doesn't unravel while I work on this end here. So we got this little portion here. So what I'm gonna do, get my rubber band here. I'm gonna put that over the end piece, and then what you're doing is folding the end piece over the rubber band, so it's like stuck in there like that. Okay, make sure you got the whole thing in there. And then this is when your tape or your stapler will come in handy. You can use your stapler to staple it down, or you can use hot glue gun, glue it, whatever you have to do. So tape it. I got the tape right here. The tape will be on the inside of your face, so nobody will really see it. So see right there, and the tape right there. Now we'll go on and do the other side. Okay, got the rubber band here. Put it over. Okay. Fold it over, just like you did on the other end. Like that. Take your other tape and tape that down. Like that. And you have your mask, okay? So now you put it on. Make sure your tape is really down, because like this is why you need something very strong to hold it together. So this is your makeshift mask here. And then you just put it on. Here. And then just pull it down. And that's it. You got your cheap mask. It only costs about $2, and you can make multiple masks from 2 of these. This is $1. So for me, with my little face, I could make 4 out of these, 4 out of this. You can probably get 2 if you have a lot wider face. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it.